water. In this video, we are going to study how make water potable. So, potable means water safe for drinking. So, during rainy season, we get muddy water. So, how we can clear it? Is it safe for drinking? No, it is not safe for drinking. So, we can study about the idea of making clear water. For that, you have three steps. First one is settling. In steps 2, to make water more clear by swirling alum in it. And in step 3, you have to carry out filtration. So, students, these steps we are going to study detailed information about this step. So, see in your textbook. In the beaker, you can see how muddy water looks like. If you not find muddy water, then make some muddy water by adding some soil pieces of dry twigs, straw, leaves, etc. to the water. Now, allow this beaker to stand for 4 to 5 hours. What can you see? You can see that the heavy particles are settled down. In middle portion, you can see the muddy water, or you can say it as dirty water. The lighter things that are floating on upper layer. So students, let's study how we can make the muddy water clean. After following few steps, we will get clean water. So there are some steps. By following that step, we will get muddy water clean. So step first. So in step 1, let the muddy water settle down for few hours. The particles of soil sink in the water and form one layer of the sediment at the bottom. But twigs and other rubbish float on the water. It takes a long time for the sediment to form. Step 1 is settling. Now what is settling? The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. The muddy water will settle like this without disturbing the sediment. Now pour the water into another beaker. See in the picture. Even though this water appears much cleaner than before, but still there are some fine particles of soil and some rubbish floating on the water. So students, we will see next step. In the step 2, to make the water more clear is swirling alum in it. So take a piece of alum and swirl it once in the water or in the beaker. Leave this beaker undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours. What do you see? We can see the particles floating in water slowly settle to the bottom, and water in the upper part becomes transparent. See in the picture. What does this tell us? It tells us the swirling alum in water helps the soil particle in muddy water to settle down. Now next step is third step, and it is filtration. You all very well known about filtration. So filtration, in this filtration process, filter the water with the help of strainer. See strainer in the picture. What will you see? The rubbish and the soil particles are remains on the cloth of the strainer. The water collected in the beaker looks transparent. It tells us that if we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. So students, let's take a quick look after settling of how we make water clear. So first, after settling, we have to add alum, stir it for 5 minutes. In next step, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then filter it. After filtration, we have to boil the water for 20 minutes because we make the water clear but not safe for drinking. So students, we will see all 3 steps on whiteboard. In step 1 is settling. So what is settling? Settling is the process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called as settling. And the step 2 is to make water more clear by swirling alum in it. And the last step is filtration. So for this filtration process, we can use strainer. Means with the help of the strainer, we can filter the water. So remaining part, boiling, how to make water more clear for drinking, that part we will see in next video. Thank you.